Now this coin could easily get tossed aside or forgotten about if someone doesn't know what's going on here. So first of all, we must understand what a clad coin is. Essentially, most coins consist of 3 different layers of metal. They will have a copper core with an outer layer that's made of copper nickel alloy. That nickel layer is typically on the front, which is the obverse, and the back, which is the reverse of the coin. Now you can tell if you have a copper core by looking at the edge of the coin. Now there are going to be situations like this coin that sold for $192 where the back is simply missing the clad layer. Now you have to be careful because there are people out there that will try to manipulate the coins to make them look like this. There are so many science experiments going on with coins today where people are using chemicals and heat and other ways to manipulate the appearance of the coin that most of the time, if you think you have a rare error, there is a probability that it's simply damage caused by one of these things. But if it looks like this, there is a chance that the clad layer on your coin is missing and it's worth a lot of money. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more, and I'll see you in the next one.